Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add Pine script to TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the TradingView website and make sure you are logged in with your accounts. Now, in order to add the Pine script, you need to go to the Pine editor. Here you can see the Pine editor option at the bottom left. Click on it. Now this will open the Pine editor. Here you can add your Pine script. You can start typing your Pine script code. If you already have a script, you can paste it over here. Once you're done writing your code, click on the save button. You can give a name to your script and click on save. Now that your code is saved, now to apply it to your chart, here you can see the option add to chart. Click on it. This will apply the Pine script to the chart you are viewing. You can now customize and use your Pine script on your chart. You can customize it in your own way. So that's it, you've successfully added Pine script to TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.